Hi guys, happy Easter! Today we're going to show you how to make a simple and delicious recipe called Tips with veggies. We're making this wonderful recipe outside because it's so beautiful today. Also, please come and join us. So, let's get started. Okay, so what we need is some siga or just meat. You also need tomato, onion, jalapeno, garlic cloves, minced, red bell pepper, and you're going to need butter, also known as kibe, water, a pan, and you need oil and salt. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to put our siga into the pan. And we're going to mix. It smells amazing. As you can see, the meat is cooking, and in 2 minutes, we're going to be putting the other ingredients. We're going to wait for the water to dry out a little bit, but when it is dry, we're going to add our onions and red bell pepper. Okay, it has been cooking for 2 minutes, and now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. The tomato, garlic cloves, and the butter and the tomato. And the butter. And now we're going to mix that all together. It smells so good. Okay, so now we put those 2 ingredients. Now we're going to close the lid for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to put the rest of the ingredients. This recipe only takes 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're going to add some oil. Now I'm also going to put the onions and bell pepper. Today we're not going to make the dip spicy. No better. And now we're gonna mix. This is so quick, anyone can make it. Now we're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna taste the food if there's gonna be salt, and then we are done. This is so quick. Okay, so now we're gonna put the last 2 ingredients to our tips. The jalapeno and the salt. Wow, look at our dips and veggies. It looks so amazing. Anyone can make it. It's so easy. It just takes just a few minutes of your time. And we want to wish you all a happy Easter. And I hope you could eat this wonderful recipe as your lunch and or dinner. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with all your friends and family. And if you already have subscribed, we thank you so much. And also, click on the notification bell below so you don't miss any of our new videos. And put a thumbs up to this video. And also, don't just watch video, make it. Bye!